guys, it's Jimmy P and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and also if you look in the right hand corner of the screen, it will be all of my social medias, so make sure you go follow me on there. So today I created this look right here. There's a really cute cut crease like with the glitter. It's so pretty. I love this look. I didn't really know what I was doing. I was really just going with it, but I ended up loving it so much. I used the Morphe 35B palette to create this look. I believe that is a new palette on Morphe's website. I don't know if I'm new to it or if it's just new in general, but I love the palette. It's so pigmented and it's a range of colors. You'll see that once we get into the video though. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then make sure you keep on watching. Let's get into this look. I think I'm going to start with the eyes first. As y'all can probably tell, my face is breaking out. Like, it's not breaking out, it was breaking out, but I was like messing with it, so it's a lot of like spots now. But I'm working on getting that cleaned up and fixed, looking all nice. So if the products I'm using now work, I'll let y'all know, because I definitely have seen an improvement. Yeah, and this happened today. It happened, yeah, today. I forgot to take my makeup off. Alright, I'm about to use some tape to put on my eyes so I can, you know, have that nice precise look. Alright, I'm gonna go with my Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow pomade. I use this all the time, so if you watch my channel, you know this is my go-to. I'm gonna go in and clean that up with my Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm also gonna drag that and put that like on my eyelid, because I'm gonna use this as my eyeshadow base. I'm gonna go ahead and set that with my Airspun Loose face powder. So setting it basically helps like helps make the like eyeshadow stay in place. If you just conceal your eyelid without setting it, your eyeshadow will be more likely to move. So make sure you set. And if you're oily like me, my eyelids get so oily, it's like sick, so setting it really helps. And make sure to pat so the powder can really get in to get into your eyelid and like into the concealer that you used or the primer that you used. Don't like swipe or anything, like really pat it on there. Okay, so today I'm going to be going in with this new palette that I got from Morphe, and I love Morphe products. Like, they are just bomb.com. Their eyeshadows are amazing. So this is a new palette. It is the Morphe 35B palette. So it looks like this, the normal packaging, but let me tell y'all, listen, this palette is so pretty. Like, oh my god, the colors are amazing. This is the palette that I'm going to be using. Yes, look at them. They give you like the shades of the blue, the shades of the green, the shades of the pink. They literally give you all the shades. Purple, you got the pinks, and then they give you a bunch of other like vibrant colors over here. So you got a couple oranges, a couple like peachy colors, you got this really pretty yellow. They threw a bunch of like shimmer shades in there as well. So like this blue right here is a shimmer shade, and then like this pink right here is a shimmer shade. So I'm just going to be using probably these like 4 colors today, and this yellow and this shimmer yellow. Alright, so I'm going to go with my Morphe B79 brush, and I'm going to be taking that first orange shade that I showed you guys, and I'm going to be placing that in my crease, and I'm going to be using that as my transition shade. These shadows are really Well, this shadow, I'm not gonna say these, so I haven't tested all the other ones yet, but this shadow is real pigmented. I like that. Now I'm gonna go in with that darker red shade, and I'm gonna place this like right in the crease of my eye and just blend it out into like the V and towards like the outer corner. I'm gonna be taking that purple shade and the pink shade, and I'm gonna place that more so in the crease of my eye to define like where I'm gonna cut the crease at, and then bringing it towards, blending it out towards the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm gonna go in with a what is this? This is the e.l.f. I have no idea, but it's a little bit more packed, a little bit more shorter, so it's not really for blending, but more so for like a precise kind of technique. Pink, I'm gonna take this hot pink and more so of this purple, and I'm gonna place that in the crease of my eye and just really bring that out. Change my mind. I don't want it to mess up, so I'm gonna go in with Real Techniques accent brush. It's like this really small brush. I'm gonna use that and place that same colors that I just showed y'all in my eye. So now I'm just using that first brush I had showed y'all, and I'm gonna blend out the dark purple that I put in my crease. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline concealer. I use the color medium, and I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to go ahead and with just a regular shade and kind of like set that, not too much but just enough. I'm gonna go in with a e.l.f. I don't know what kind of brush this is, but it's like a packer brush kind of, but like a thicker one, so it's like flat but fluffy. So I'm gonna use that and place the yellow on the inner corner of my eye. Now yellow shades are so hard to show up, so let's see if Morphe did the damn thing, because I know NYX did not. I have a NYX yellow eyeshadow and it's trash. So let's hope this works. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this packer brush. I'm going to spray it with my setting spray because I'm going to be using a shimmer shade. And shimmer shades show up way more better when you're using a wet tool. Alright, now I'm going to take a clean blending brush and really blend that out. So I'm going to be blending the shimmer shade and the yellow shade. Ever so slightly. I just don't want it to be like really harsh. Sorry y'all, I didn't know I was actually gonna do that, but it's actually really cute. So what I did to do like that line, I just used this shadow, the yellow shimmer shade that I used on my eyelid. I used that and this some setting spray, and I used a really fine tip brush, and I just drew it on there, honestly. Hope that's as easy explainable as it is to do it, because that was the easiest thing ever. My cut creases are always different. I never know why, but they both be cut, so. Alright, so now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and take the tape off. I love the taking the tape off process because it's like miracles being worked. Oh. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my face. I'm going to start off by priming my face with my Black Radiance HD primer. My favorite primer ever. This is my go-to. Now I'm going to go in with my Baby Skin pore fillers and fill up these pores, baby. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. color correcting stick. Mine is in the color orange. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my go-to foundation, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I'm in the color 109. I need to go wet my beauty blender, but I'm going to blend my face out with my beauty blender, my damp beauty blender. Now I'm going to go back in with my Makeup Revolution concealer. Again, the color is C10. Yeah. Alright, my lashes are on, and I'm about to dust off this excess powder, so let's do that. I just got an email saying that my school will be closed tomorrow for inclement weather, and it's just like, is it really supposed to snow that long? I'm supposed to be like doing a photo shoot. Not okay. And I'm leaving on Friday, so like, when am I gonna have the time to file my taxes? Like, listen, and they have to be filed by April 1st, I think. I'm on spring break. It really decided to snow when I'm on spring break. That's just crazy. I'm really loving my eyeshadow. Like, it's not even funny. It's really pretty. I hope y'all like it too. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer, bow contour stick, whatever you want to call it, in the color C14. I love Makeup Revolution products, so yeah, you know. I'm going to take it up high as possible, because if you start low with your contour and you start to blend it out, it'll become like really low, and then you'll look like a man. And then carve out the cheekbones, of course. Put that a little too far over. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna go with my Real Techniques brush. I don't know what brush this is. Oh, it's an expert face brush. There we go. I'm gonna blend that out. I always blend it onto my ear because I want it to look like it's my natural contour. And I blend in circles. I don't like do like that. I like to blend in circles because it makes it look more natural. Now I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques angled brush. It's an angled face brush. And this is what I use to contour my nose. Now I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance pressed powder. This is what I use to set my contour and also to really bring out the defined lines in my nose as well. I'm going to go in with my pressed powder again, well, my loose face powder, and carve out my contour. And I also put it on my laugh line, so like right here, just set that a little bit more because my laugh lines be like out of this world. Oh, like a man. Okay, I'm done. I'm so done. I'm gonna go in and add some blush. I'm gonna be using my NYX powder blush in the color Pinched. I'm gonna go in with my Absolute New York Pro bronzer in the color, what color is this? Oh, medium. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with that fourth pink shade I had showed you guys in the beginning of the video, the like really pretty hot pink one. I'm gonna go in with that and use that for my lower lash line. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic in the color Carbon Black. I'm going to do my bottom lashes. Bottom lashes are so fierce, like they just are. Now I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite right now. It is the ColourPop highlighter in the color Wisp.